Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to go a bit into arranging views. This was expanded in the HiCAD 2024 Service Pack 1 by some very useful points. For this, I now have the option that I could align these views here. In this case, with the CTRL key, I select. So now in this case, I have selected 3 views, and I can say here in this case that I want to align these views here. Now I have the opportunity to align these links flush over a point, justify, align bottom, divide. I just want to show here, if these views, if I align it on time, then you can see here, these views are aligned on time based on the geometry above. Here in this case, one can also see that these views are a bit too far to lie close together. And now I could also say that these are in this area between the first and last, should be divided. So I can arrange these views relatively easily here. Of course, I can also go further here. And as an example here, these views as short as possible. I want this. They will be aligned punctually at the bottom. That means on this view, we have made it. I used the right mouse button, so I selected the command. This view remains, and this view has been pulled down for me. The same thing I could of course do here as well, meaning I want to arrange these 2 views here so that they are flush on the left side. And as you can see here, thus I can design these views. That is the page much more simply.